we got a 2022 Nissan Armada. Let's reset the oil life. We're going to use this button here to scroll over to the right. And we're going to go all the way over to settings, okay? It's going to be the gear symbol. And then you're going to go down to where it says maintenance and hit OK. Oil and filter. This one's not currently set up, but yours, if it's set up, it should have miles there. All you gotta do is go down to reset and hit yes. I am gonna set this one up for miles, okay? And we're gonna do 3,000 miles. You might have to do this, you might not have to do this. Depends on who you are. But yeah, if you look, oops, it's reset to 0. And that's it. Pretty much we're all done. So I hope the video was quick and straight to the point. If you thought it was, appreciate if you could hit that like button for me. I'd really appreciate that. Or leave me a comment. I'd appreciate that even more. Hope to see you guys later.